Ctrl+Squirrel. Grinding XP in the tree. Welcome to Borderlands 4. A new adventure begins where chaos, loot, and mayhem reign. Today we take our first steps, blasting through enemies, stacking guns, and facing our very first boss. Grab your weapon. Vault Hunter, the Borderlands are calling. Let's play.
So, you want to hear a story, huh? Yeah, old Marcus still has a few tales to tell. And this is the start of something new. A spark that just might leave the galaxies themselves ablaze. It all started here. The planet Kairos. Heard of it? Of course not, and for good reason. For thousands of years, it was a place of legend, hidden from the outside universe. The only way you found it was by accident or chance. And if you did, well, you weren't ever going to leave. For Kairos was a prison, ruled by a tyrant made immortal by alien technology. They called him the Timekeeper, and his order was nothing less than absolute. What was the secret, you ask, that justified keeping an entire planet in chains? A vault, at the center of his seat of power. Whispers told of unknowable treasures, locked away inside. Perhaps even the source of his immortality. But where there are vaults, you will always find vault hunters. Fearsome warriors, driven by dreams of glory, wealth, knowledge, and power. The Timekeeper's order was perfect. It was supposed to last forever. But vault hunters, they have a way of screwing up your plans. This new story? Well, it begins 6 years after Mayhem first came to Kairos. 6 years after the sky turned to fire.
That one.
Hey, calmate! Where are we going, Thunder?
The Timekeeper thinks you could be of use. Me? Well, I'd rather kill you.
That is not a unique character trait, amigo. There is a 3-month waiting list. Or let me go, and I'll let you skip the line.
Tempting. But I do only as he commands.
Come on, I need some motivation for when I kill you. They'll never know.
That's where you're wrong. He's always watching. Time to bolt.
We could have made something special!
What use is a Vault Hunter? You are, in a word, mayhem. I take that personally.
Who would you be?
My name is my use. The ones who gave it to me called me Timekeeper. Now you may have had free will out there in the myriad galaxies, but here, on Kairos, you exist in my universe. You will obey my will, and you'll serve the use I have for you.
Good luck with that.
Luck? We don't have that here either. Humans need a stronger hand than luck to keep them deterministic. Like any domesticated animal, they must be tagged, tracked, and when necessary, shoved back into place. This bolt is that guiding hand. My hand. On your neck forever. There. The bolt is part of you now. You are no longer a Vault Hunter. I have a new use for you. And once that use is done, I can offer you a life in my order. Comfortable. Peaceful.
I'm not the peaceful end type.
Then you should have gone out guns blazing when you had the chance.
Really hope I just blew up the right room. Echo, see anyone alive in there?
Right here.
Hell yeah. Echo, boot up their HUD so they can check for injuries. I'm RJ. I'm a Vault Hunter with the Crimson Resistance. Come on, let's get out of here. Whole place is going into lockdown. Come on! So is my intel right? Are you a Vault Hunter too?
See, I and Rafa. Hey, not complaining, but why are you helping me?
The Crimson Resistance is gonna free this whole planet. I figured we could use all the Vault Hunters we can get. Guards are onto us. Take them out!
Pleasure.
Banged up? Grab this rep kit. Should take the edge off. Come on. We gotta get to the next floor. The security room up there is our way out.
What were those things?
Synths. The Timekeeper's robot army. Good riddance.
You sure this is a prison? Getting more luxury hotel lobby vibes.
They're called the Order for a reason. They like things neat and under control.
People, too. Everyone who lands on Kairos ends up here. But the only welcome people get is the Timekeeper's domination. There's the security room. Check it out! It's a confiscated weapons chest! Let's see if there's anything fun in there. Damn it! Lockdown's got us hemmed in. Echo 4, get hacking. Got an idea that'll buy us some time. We're gonna crack this prison wide open. Vault.
Hunter, wanna do the honors? Prison break, baby! Nice one! Doors open, let's go!
I will remind any and all rampant prisoners that he is watching. There is no escape. No one leaves.
The prisoners
Won't get far, but they'll distract the Order while we escape. Hell of a sight, huh? 6 years ago, that moon appeared from nowhere. The sky cracked open, shards fell like rain. We thought the world was ending. I guess it kinda did. The Timekeeper's been in full tyrant mode ever since.
What did you mean when you said the prisoners won't get far?
They're bolted, just like us.
won't be long before the Timekeeper walks them right back into their cells. We just need the Timekeeper looking their way and not yours until we can jam your bolt.
We're almost out! Just fight through! Good. Now, follow my lead, all right? We gotta slide down. Come on.
Looks like we got separated. You good?
Rafa is always good. So, escape successful? Are we clear?
Not exactly. The Order's gonna have search parties combing through these woods. I stashed us a ride out, though. Let's meet up ahead. Might be a tight squeeze through there. You'll have to crouch.
Archer, the timekeeper can take me over with this bolt. Shouldn't I just pull it out? I don't like being watched.
Oh, no. That thing is in there, hitched to your nervous system. When people try to rip their bolt out, it turns them crazy. Or just straight up kills them.
So why bother running? It's just a matter of time.
Not with Echo 4 on our side. He's jamming my bolt. And if we can get you somewhere safe while the timekeeper's distracted, we'll jam yours too.
Return now, Vault Hunter, or this island will become your grave.
Good. You're still in one piece. Not that I expected anything less from a Vault Hunter. They're looking for us. keep a low profile.
Come on, we gotta reach our getaway ride. So,
Have you ever opened a vault?
Me? No, this is sort of a new gig. Did you come here for the vault too?
No. I was born on fires. But I heard all about vault hunters from off-worlders who crashed. When the Moonfall chaos started, I took my chance and struck out on my own. Been training up ever since. I'll introduce you to the leader of the Crimson Resistance when we get off the site. I only joined recently, but it's exactly what this planet needs. A whole rebellion, fighting together for freedom from the Timekeeper. Oh, and I can't wait to rub it in his shiny face when we crack that vault of his.
There's nowhere to hide, Hunter. He is always watching.
There. We'll go through that order plate. Search party! Clear him out!
Just through here.
There is no escape.
Damn, this door wasn't locked when I came through. Give me a sec. The lock is giving me some trouble, but I've got my best bot on it. This could take a bit. Hey, I left a stash up on the ridge when I was doing my recon. How about you clean it out while I get this door open?
There's nowhere to hide, Hunter. He is always watching.
Oh, you had the cozy little camp going up here, RJ?
I've been waiting a long time for the right Vault Hunter to arrive. Go ahead, raid the place.
Shield it up, RJ.
Awesome. Almost got the door. Come on down.
There we go. Let's get to our ride. Maybe we can even pick up some of the other prisoners. Oh, no. He
made me. There was a time I would have used a gentler touch with these wayward creatures. But now they serve a greater purpose. Now you see the true bars of your cage. You cannot break free.
What the hell?
He killed them. We have to get out of here. Now!
I thought he'd march them back to their cells. I never imagined he'd butcher them all. We need to get your bolt jammed as soon as possible. I hijacked an order gunship for us. It's just down this way.
We are getting out of here!
No one leaves.
part of my master plan. Ow! This is where I betray you. Seriously, can you imagine? Thanks. We gotta get out of here before the timekeeper.
Too late.
What are you? Oh, crap.
I'm always watching. I wanted to see how useful my new Vault Hunter could be. In action. Besides, it's more fun getting your hands dirty when they aren't your hands.
Echo! Transfer ownership!
Maldición. RJ, you okay? RJ?
What use is a Vault Hunter? None at all.
No!
Hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more.